it's hurricane season, and what does that mean for you as a homeowner in the San Antonio or New Braunfels area? For starters, we're about 2 to 3 hours inland, and so it takes a heck of a hurricane to impact us too much. If you remember Hurricane Harvey in 2017, that actually caused a lot of damage in our area. If we get a hurricane that is a class 4 or maybe even a class 3, you can pretty much guarantee that you're going to be affected in some way, depending on where it hits and the wind speed. And at that point, might be too late because it's already about to hit shore, but you need to get your roof inspected. So what it means when we have hurricane damage this far inland is generally that we have really high winds. It will rip off shingles and even metal in that storm. It ripped off both. So the wind speeds were in excess of probably 60 or 70 miles an hour, which it really starts having some impact and causing some damage. What else comes with the really high winds is a whole bunch of rain. What happens, well, if you already have a leak, obviously you're gonna find it, but if it rips off shingles or rips off metal and exposes the roof, you may get water inside. Also, roofs that are used to shedding water and do just fine in normal rainfall, which we don't even get that for 6 months of the year, but you'll end up having standing water in areas of your roof just because it can't shed fast enough. And so areas that have never leaked before might leak. So what can you do to help with that? You can have your roof inspected prior to hurricane season to make sure that you're not missing any shingles or already have damage where you can get a leak in. During the storm, you weather the storm. If you get water inside, you can try and catch that water to minimize the damage, and of course give us a call and we can come out and put a tarp on.